For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to Simply Jen and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hi friends, we know that you all are waiting for a Chomasa special recipe. So here it is. Today we are going to make creamy oats with veggie. The oats which we are using are from Sri Lankan brand called Otio, which is now available in India. And also we have a very exciting Rakhi giveaway. So stay tuned till the end of the video to know more details. And let's get started. So today we are going to unbox the products which are sent to us by a brand called Otio. This is a brand which is based in Sri Lanka. So let's see what is there inside. So first we have this instant oats. You all can see that they have Avengers on it, and all their different packaging of oats have different kinds of Avengers on it. So it attracts the kids and it becomes very easier for mom to convince them to have oats. The second one is oat bran. This is very fine in texture. You can make flour, dough, cakes, cupcakes, muffins out of it. It is very high in nutrient and has low calorie. So the next one is steel cut oats. This is the one which we are going to use in today's recipe. This helps to manage diabetes and keeps your heart healthy. Last but not the least, we have Apple and Ceylon most famous cinnamon flavored oatmeal. It is very good in fiber and it has 6 pouches inside, so you can use it for 6 days for your breakfast. So now we will start making our recipe, that is creamy steel cut oats with veggies. So let's get started. Ingredients required are water, almond milk, Otio steel cut oats, peas, zucchini, edamame beans, asparagus, pepper, chili flakes, salt and ghee. First we will add 1 tablespoon ghee. Here if you all want, you all can even use olive oil instead of ghee. Once the ghee has melted, we are going to add the oats. So we are going to add around half cup of steel cut oats. And now we are just going to roast this till it becomes little golden. You will start getting an aroma, that is when you will come to know that they are toasted well, and that is what we want. So now in this we are going to directly add almond milk, so that is going to be around half cup to 1 cup. So if you all like coconut milk, you all can even use coconut milk. So that is completely on you all. And we are going to add milk in this stage only, so that our oats have that taste and the flavor what we are looking for. And in this we will also add half cup of water. So this is going to take around 15 to 20 minutes to be cooked. So if the water reduces, just keep adding either water or milk. That is completely on y'all. I am going to add milk simultaneously, and don't forget to keep stirring it. Till the time this is happening, we will move on to the next step and then come back to this. First we'll add 1 tablespoon ghee. Once the ghee has melted, we are going to add 2 tablespoon yellow zucchini and asparagus. So here you all can even use broccoli, baby corn, but as we are doing in Chomasa, that's the reason we are not using those veggies. Then we will add 1 tablespoon boiled peas and around 7-8 edamame beans. Again those are boiled. In this we will add salt and little pepper. Not going to overcook this because we want the veggies to hold its shape and the texture. So that's it, we are going to stop here. So I have added another half cup of almond milk, and this is how we want. In that, we are just going to add the veggies. Then we will add some chili flakes. And in case before serving, if it thickens up, you will add more almond milk and serve it. So this is done. Now we will just serve it. Our Chomasa special dish is ready. I hope you like the recipe. So in today's video, the variety of oats which we had showcased were from the brand called Oatio. If you want to purchase any of their products, you all can check out their website. The details are mentioned in the description below, so do check it out. Do participate in our Rakhi giveaway, which is on Facebook and Instagram, where 3 winners will be chosen and they will be given a Oatio hamper filled with healthy goodies. All the details are mentioned in the description below, so do check it out and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jen for new recipes.